Now listen again.
Activity book, page 7. 7. Listen and colour. 1.
Look at number 8. Colour it red.
Red?
Yes. Colour number 8 red.
Okay.
2.
Look at number 1. Colour it purple.
Okay. Number 1 is purple.
3.
Okay. Look at number 7. Colour it blue.
Blue?
Yes. Number 7 is blue.
4.
What colour's number 9?
It's yellow. Number 9 is yellow.
Okay.
5.
Look at number 4. Colour it orange.
Okay. Number 4 is orange.
Yes.
Good job, kids. Now let's check the answers. Number 8 is red. Number 1 is purple. Number 1, purple. Number 7 is blue. Number 7 is blue. Number 9 is yellow. Number 9 is yellow. And number 4 is orange. Number 4 is orange. 8 red, 1 purple, 7 blue, 9 yellow, and 4 orange. Good job, kids. Okay, and now this is the homework, okay? La tarea. This worksheet is for homework. You are going to color the paintbrushes, okay? This worksheet is about the rainbow song. This is the homework, okay? And you are going to do the homework in your notebook, okay? This is the homework and you are going to do the homework in your notebook. Esta es la tarea que van a realizar en el cuaderno y va a quedar así. Okay, here is the homework. Okay, la tarea para la próxima clase vas a cortar, pegar y escribir en tu cuaderno la actividad sobre los pinceles que se llama Song Worksheet. Okay, que es la actividad, es la hojita que te enseñé hace un momento. Y en tu cuaderno va a quedar de esta manera, ¿ok? The date, April 14th, 2020. The title, Colors. You paste the lyrics of the song. Then you paste your paintbrushes. And next to the paintbrush, the color. Number 1, red. Red. Number 2, yellow. Number 3, pink. Number 4, green. Number 5, orange. Number 6, purple. And number 7, blue. Okay? Okay, goodbye kids. Remember, take care and stay at home. See you next class.